This is Tippy, a mat that opens the world of creativity and fun for my son while stimulating his imagination every day. A land of exciting adventures. With this mat, we are constantly discovering something new and we can play in it wherever we like. Tippy is so soft to the touch, meaning it's made for little hands. The plush orca, rattle and other toys are just the beginning of our fun time. Tippy holds many secrets. Now we'll fly with the swallow and discover the other plush toys in the team. With Tippy, even the most boisterous playtime is safe and carefree and provides my boy with amazing experiences. And when he gets a little older, it's time for a transformation. In just a moment, we can create something completely new. Disassembly and assembly are really easy. The entire process is simple, quick, and intuitive. We've got this. The new version of Tippy is fun not only for my little boy, it's also a great gift for me. A Western at home? Why not? With Tippy, we discover a world full of children's fantasies. This teepee is a dream play fort for any child. Tippy's frame is made of lightweight foam bars that even make the wildest playtime safe. Peekaboo, gotcha! It's not just about entertainment. Thanks to Tippy, my youngster can discover continents and learn about the animals that live on them, and all the while learning English. What's this animal? With Tippy, my little discoverer is never bored. It remains his favourite spot in the room. The mat gives him new ideas and inspires him to play on his own. With Tippy, awesome adventures come on a daily basis. The mat gives us motivation for creative play right from the first day at home. And when we feel like taking playtime outdoors, the mat comes with us.
Kinderkraft, easy with kids.